To replace the headlamp on the F150, you basically have to move this lamp outside. So we're gonna do that. Went to the store, got the low beam headlight. It's the same one for high beam and low beam, so it's just one lamp to replace. So here it is, H139008. To replace this light, I have to get in here. Well, the only way to do that is to come on this side, but as you can see, there's this metal beam, so the lamp has to move forward. So gotta remove this. So the 10mm socket fit this, so I'm gonna use that and loosen this up. Get it all the way out. Alright. So I already removed that bolt in order to slide the lamp outside, like I said, to get behind the headlamp. So here's the other one that's holding this, the headlamp. The whole headlamp is right there. But to get there, I gotta unscrew this plastic Phillips. So I'm gonna do that, unscrew it. So I unscrew the plastic screw, and then you have to pull hard to pop it out. Alright. So now I'm gonna be able to get to this other one. So I removed this bolt over here, but I noticed that there's actually one more down here, so I gotta remove that one too. So after removing that one, the third one bolt down here, this whole thing is loose now. You see, I can slide it out, and I can actually get here and pull this out. Okay, and that's how I'm gonna replace the headlight. So now that I have enough space to get my hand here, there's a little tab. You gotta hold it, pull out, and then you gotta twist this. So like I said, you gotta twist this. It actually was pretty tight, so I had to put a lot of force into it to twist it to this way. Alright, and here comes the burnt lamp, so I'm gonna replace this one. Okay, so I just got it out of the package. Okay, so I try not to touch this part, because if you touch it with your hands, it has oils and that kind of stuff, and that reduces the life of the lamp. So don't touch the lamp. Okay, and this has to go back here again. So that's gonna go back there again. So it slides in and then twist that way. Okay, like I said, it goes like that and twist to secure it. One more thing, you're gonna notice that there's like a tab here. There's 1, 2, 3. 2 of them are about the same size, these two, and this one is a little bit wider. So align this wider one with the wider one over here. So you gotta align that with this one, and the other 2 small ones with that one and this one here. Okay, and that'll go in and twist it. So got the headlight in there, and I gotta plug this again. Make sure it clicks all the way in. There you go. Then slide the headlight back to its place where it was before. I'm gonna test, make sure the light comes on. So I'm gonna, there we go, it's working. So I can reinstall the 3 bolts that were removed before. I'm gonna reinstall, remember, 1, 2, and 3, and then this one at the end. So reinstall the bolts, screws. Light works.